Hey everyone, it's Tori coming back at you with another video. So today I thought we would be trying the Japanese makeup today, along with the skincare kind of stuff. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I know I'm missing like a lot of products, so any products I am missing, I'll be using. Anything that I had in my Japan haul, which you'll be able to find it up here. I'll link it up here. Maybe, I don't know, maybe in the description. But yeah, so I got most things, and yeah, let's just get on with the video. First thing I'm going to start off with is the toner I bought. It's just the Juju Pomegranate Revitalizing Toner, freshly squeezed Juju pomegranate and pomegranate seed oil. It doesn't have like a strong smell, but there's like a smell to it. Seems like it's like, I'm thinking that this is the camera and showing you. I don't know if you can see it. It seems like it's taking off a little bit. Yeah, no, it's doing its job. Anyways, the next thing we're gonna do is going to be the Innisfree My Squeeze Mask in Aloe. So pretty much, so there's a mask. I don't know how to do masks, to be honest. Like, I'm always scared I'm gonna rip them, and usually I do rip them, so hehe. Hello. And like, which side do you put it on? Do you put it on this side? Okay, here we go. Oh, you can really smell the aloe. This is a moisturizing essence type real mask enriched with moisture-rich aloe. Protects tired skin against external stimulants to help smooth and calm. Oh, it's really like, there's a lot of condensation. Anyways, I'll see you in, I can't move my face. I'll see you in 20 minutes.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so it's been like 20 minutes, I believe, and there was like a little bit of tingling or some weird thing that happened. But anyways, I should have let Sarah be here. She would have loved to slap me. Is this like an ASMR? I'm just hating myself now. Okay, the next thing we will do, I believe this is a face mask. I probably should translate it and see what it says. So it cleanses and removes dirt. Adheres, what? How many? For 30 minutes. And I'm just gonna put it. It smells good. Now we're gonna go in with brows, and I'm just gonna be using the Innisfree Skinny Brow Pencil. It has a very, very small, and I've used it already, small point. So pretty much what I like to do with my brows is just start at the nose and just get a line at the bottom and then fill in from there with little hair-like strokes. And then I also like when my moisturizer is a little bit wet, because then you can just rub off any excess on the brows and just, yeah, clean it up easier than it would be to do with concealer. And then I brush my brows out. It smells so good. Okay, now going on, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Photo Finish Smooth and Blur. So I got this from Melissa from Christmas and my birthday. Thanks, Melissa. And I have not tried this at all yet, so let's try it. Okay, it's feeling pretty silicone-y. It's just a smooth and blur primer. Kind of just looked like it gave my face some shine. I'm just gonna be okay. Okay, we're going into the it's called My Foundation, and it's in 2.5, and this is probably actually gonna be too light of a shade for me, but we'll try it. I'm just going in with the damp beauty blender. It's a pretty good match. Ish. A little light. Oh, I swear in person it doesn't look that white like it's looking right now. Why do I look like a ghost? And then I'm just going in with my regular concealer. It's the Revlon Makeup Revolution London Conceal and Define Full Coverage Concealer. And I'm just going underneath the eyes and just gonna pat that in. So for this foundation, they actually had not a great shade range. I think they only had 5 shades, but they had different coverages. So there was light to full coverage, and the one I got was full coverage. Am I seeing full coverage? It's all right. Like, I don't 100% think it's like the type of full coverage America likes. And now I'm going in with the Innisfree No Sebum Moisture Powder. They like just tape everything together, which kind of is weird. Anyways, it's with Juju Natural Mineral and Natural Originated Mint. And now I'm just gonna put that underneath my eyes and my smile lines. So it's just making me whiter. Okay, and now we'll try to see if there is any flashback. Do I feel like it's moisturizing? I don't know. Doesn't look like there's actually flashback. Boop. I'm just going in now with the Innis blush, if I can ever open it.
One eternity later.
So that's the color. It's kind of like a purplish pink. Are you seeing any color come off? Like, I'm not seeing anything. So you really have to dig to get the color payoff. I thought it would be a lot more pigmented, as Japanese really do like their blush. So just going in with the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream in the white, we're just gonna pretty much cut out our crease. Now I'm gonna go in with the, I guess it's like a glitter. I'm just using my finger and going in with that blue shade and just dabbing it on. It's a nice, pretty aqua color. Is it really glittery? I would say not that much. It's more of, I would say, a kind of like a foil and a glitter mixed. It's not too glittery, but it's not too foily. Okay, so now I have 2 mascaras. There's one that's volume and one that's long. So I'm actually going to be putting the volume one on top, on my top lashes. And then the long one on my bottom lashes. So it's like a really weird wand. It's very small. And I think I'll get all the lashes. It's working out pretty good. And it's making sure the lashes aren't clumped. So if you like that clumped look, then this isn't gonna be for you, kind of thing. I feel like you can get right to the root of the lashes and it won't put black all over your eye. The only problem with this, I feel like, is it takes way longer to do your eyelashes than it would be if you just had a bigger wand. So this might be just better for the bottom lashes. As a bigger wand, you can just like mess up your whole look. Okay, there's that one. And now let's go in with the lower lash one, just the long one. This is what the wand looks like. Definitely easier to get your bottom lashes. And I feel like they're making them long. I'm gonna put on lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, so pretty much the last 2 things I have are lipstick. Oh, okay. So I have 2 lipsticks. I have this one. So it's just like a bright pink. I think it's like a lip balm. Yeah, this is more of a balm. And then this one, I think, is more of a lipstick. So I'm gonna use, I don't know if it matches the lipstick. The lipstick has a very high smell. High smell? Is that the word? Has a very strong smell. That's what it is. You know what it smells like? Like the old Smackers lipstick bombs that you would get. I feel like it's something that you can build up or something you can just keep really sheer. I do love the doe foot applicator. It's just like, it has a pointy end so you can really get in to those hard to get crevices. I do have this Sailor Moon lip gloss that we can try out. It just has a doe foot applicator and I think it's like a pink. Oh no, just a clear lip gloss. That's, can you even see? Just a clear lip gloss. So I'm just gonna put that right here and here. I feel like it's really kind of darkening the lipstick. The last thing I have is a green tea mist. It's just double squeezed green tea from Juju Island. Anyways, it's just a mist because I wanted one like the Morphe and this is kind of cool, so. That was nice and refreshing. Oh, that was actually really nice. It's like such a nice mist. Oh my gosh, I love that. Love, 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 love. Except it gets like everywhere, so. That's a full face using Japanese makeup, sort of. So that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe because I post every Monday. Make sure to give this video a like and comment down below if you would ever buy some Japanese makeup because I think this was a total success. Anyways, I'll see you later. Bye! I can't move. I can't move. I can't move. Oh my god, how do I get out? Oh my god. Oh my god. Bye!